You have lots of towels. You have a hair dryer, shaving mirror, some toiletries over here, soap, bath foam, shampoo, shower cap, vanity kit, comb, dental kit. I'll give you some glasses. I'm not sure what this is. It's like an ashtray or something. Some body soap. Some more shampoo and bath foam. This is actually a fountain, water fountain. So yeah, you could have the cookies in here. And then this is the shower. Nice pattern over here, and it has a shower head right there, and I guess that's ventilation. This is like a feather bed, feather mattress, feather quilt. Probably feather pillows as well. They have a mini bar. You have Pringles, Chips Ahoy, nuts, Tic Tacs,
This is from the bar next door.
Mentos, Oreos.
I eat Tom Yum Goong with the shrimp. They're spicy as fuck.
You have another mini bar over here. This is like toiletries. You have
Do you like your Thai food?
a electrical socket,
I like it spicy. Right next door is our bar.
toothpaste, mouthwash, tampons for the cookies.
It's kind of like Mexican food. I mean, I'm from Texas,
sanitary napkins, party liner, condoms,
When I used to go to Thailand, they'd say, you have the
rubber
Russian-
johnnies,
I want a fucking Russian girl. I'll go to Russia.
some
And they all come. And a lot of them look hot.
conditioner,
But you look at them,
I didn't trust any of them.
always
bunch
big giant fucking hands or big giant feet.
shampoo, feminine wash,
So many scams in
baby oil,
It's unbelievable. You go up in there, but there's a bar, you know, you walk down Walking Street, there's like a walkway that goes over to the top of one bar.
Yeah.
And all the Russian girls are in there.
I don't know what this is. Maybe deodorant or something.
Got to pay like a charge to get out.
Lotion and toothbrush. This is all you would have to pay for the mini bar though. So nothing in here. And this is a.
That's the radio.
That's a radio. I don't know. This is a TV. What kind of TV is this? Samsung. Here's another mini bar that you had to pay for right here. And we have. Oh, it's very dark. You have what? A bunch of wine bottles. You have soju.
Chocolate, all chocolate, Kit Kat. So
Yeah, chocolate, Kit Kat, Snickers, water bottles.
remember to say how much the room is like.
Oh, the room is
Pricey. $150 a night.
$150 per night. Another mini bar over here. Mango juice, sodas, Red Bulls, San Miguel Light, SMB. You have a desk. I'm gonna try this chair, see how comfortable it is. The chair is okay. The chair has
Tequila reef.
decent comfort to it.
It's quite
The
reasonable.
Aqua Beach Club. What is that? Is that the room? Is that like does that mean the room over there? Or is that like, that's something, oh, that means like the rooftop or something. And then we have outside. This is outside of they're doing some construction work over there.
About $30.
40 bucks plus. If the burgers, the patties are, they make them. They're not frozen. Phillies used to be like that. Not anymore.
And these are blackout curtains, so you close them and it becomes completely dark in here. This is the ABC Hotel pool. I believe this pool has like hidden like secret passages, so you could, I'm not sure if it's this pool, to be honest with you. I mean, this one has to be, but I'm not sure. Is this the pool with like that has the secret passage, the secret passages like underneath? No? I thought it was.
It's up high, isn't it?
Really? You mean it's on the roof? I don't know.
It's all get up. Once you all like you're sat in like
One that had like the secret passages that went underneath, and then it led to like secret areas. The balconies, and then I believe that's the roof. It's a rooftop bar up there.